Hi everyone, it's Lee from Blackpool. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2024 CUPRA Formentor. Now of course this is the 1.4 eHybrid and it is the V2, and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, cornering lights and fog lights. You also get front parking sensors, and then you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming out and around to the rear now, as you can see, we've also got your rear parking sensors as well, and it is an early 24 model. You also get a reversing camera, which is just above the registration, just there. Then coming inside the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats that do fold with the boot floor. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course these are a 19-inch alloy wheel, and then of course we've got your full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You also get this brilliant copper stitching throughout as well, which will add a nice accent to the seats. We've then got electric windows all round, full keyless entry and start. And then coming inside the car now, as you can see, we have got your auto hold, electric handbrake and central locking. Your DSG gearbox is just here in the middle. Let's get some light in here. Your engine stop start is just here as well. We've then also got your wireless phone charging pad. Then of course your huge touchscreen display in the middle, which as you can see has gesture control. So you can swipe. It's now not going to work for me, but you can swipe through the display. As you can see, you do come up to it and the options do illuminate. We've then got your satellite navigation. We've got your various media sources just here. We've got your various radio sources, which you can see as well. Then we've got Bluetooth hands-free, full link, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. You can also control your climate control through here as well. And then you've probably noticed as well, around the dashboard, we do have your wraparound lighting. It is also just below the door as well, in the inner door card pocket just there. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your cruise control and distance control on the left, with your volume just in the corner here. Over on the other side, we have your onboard computer controls, and track select and heated steering wheel, which you can see just there. You can of course control the onboard computer through these controls, so you have 6 different views. I'll quickly run you through them now. So you've got the first display, you've then got the second, third, fourth, fifth, and then 6th. So you do have 6 different displays. But while we are here, you'll notice just there at the bottom, this car has only done 4,925 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Formentor, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.